Here at Riverside Manufacturing, we're your go-to contract manufacturer. Our value proposition mitigates risk and reduces costs unlike most CMs can deliver. All of our operations are based in the US and central to many core manufacturers. Our vertical integration throughout the enterprise provides additional value-add capabilities. Your typical CM can assemble or manufacture a single-level product with vendor-supplied items. Come to us with a design your business has developed, and we can help reduce some of the vendor risk by insourcing subcomponents. This approach is invaluable with the global situation as it is today. We can mitigate that risk and costs associated with traditional outsourced items. If our vertical integration is not capable or practical for your product, we have a very diverse supply base to provide sourcing flexibility across a wide array of product types. We routinely work with our customers to determine the best supply chain strategy to optimize costs, reduce lead time, and mitigate risks to meet your needs. Having a partner like Riverside to help you develop and manage your supply chain has never been more important than today. We are your one-stop shop for contract manufacturing and look forward to developing that relationship with you.